Wow, you sing great. Want to hear somebody say that? You may be singing a karaoke or performing a concert, singing with friends or a party, singing in the theater or recording or social media. And someone says to you, how did you learn how to sing like that? That would make any singer feel so good. Well, I'm going to show you how you can sing even greater than you do now. I'm Marquita Waters, and I've been on national TV like The Tonight Show. I've been signed and recorded for NBC, ABC. I've written a book on singing, and I'm a pro singer in my 70s. I'm singing strong, even though I've gone through problems like broken blood vessels and nodes, and the doctors caused a growth on my vocal folds too. I've been through so much with my voice, so I'm here to help you overcome your singing problems and be a great singer, greater than you are now. And if you doubt your singing abilities, I'm here to give your voice a big hug and start you on your journey to be a great singer. I'm talking about working out and strengthening your muscles and strengthening your performance in this video. Why should you strengthen your muscles? You strengthen your muscles first by doing a vocal workout because you will know how to use your muscles in your songs then. The thing is that we all run into problems like tightening in the throat, straining, feeling like you can't sing strong or high. Even if you sing all the time, you still have to do a workout with exercises, and yes, along with your songs. The workout with songs could be learning or checking how you transition, how to support in the areas of your song, or where you breathe. The muscles have retention, so this becomes the way you sing, not straining, tightening your throat, or worrying when you're singing your songs. See, when you're performing, the way you do this is with a vocal workout with exercises and then performance practice with your songs. In my group, Singing for a Lifetime, we do different vocal exercises every week. And with the other workouts I do by myself every week, I keep my singing muscles really strong. If you do a vocal workout consistently, you'll start to notice how strong your muscles get. And your muscle awareness will make the biggest impact on your voice and your ability to perform and sing great. I sure hope you get this. You have to work your muscles with vocal workouts. The next step is performance practice and singing your songs. In performance practice, you want to do two different kinds of practice: stop and start and perform the song. With stop and start, it's about knowing the words, knowing the tech part, like the transitions, and knowing the problem areas. With perform the song practice, it's about knowing how to be the performer. So, stop and start practice. Number one, know the words. You can't really perform at a high level if you don't know the words really, really well. You'll be thinking about them when you should be performing, not worrying about the words. 2, know the tech part of your song. That's where your vocal workouts and, the singing before the performance, and then being ready with the transitions and other problems, the breathing, what they are in your voice, where they are. So do your workouts. If you have a workout for your voice, then use it. Or you can do my vocal workout course. Just do the workouts. 3, know the problem areas. Sing your song and check where you have a problem. Then stop. Don't just sing through the song. This isn't where you practice the whole song. If you sing the song through and then keep making the same mistake, you're practicing the mistake. Don't do that. Stop and keep working on that area until it's no longer a problem. Do this with every song, with your whole song. Now you're ready to perform and see where you are. Okay, so now we got perform the song practice. Be the performer. Practice just like you would if you were performing. You can decide where to move or look, where to sit, whether to sit or stand, what to think of in different phrases. But you aren't thinking or worrying about the tech part. You dealt with that with your vocal workout, with exercises and your workout with your songs. Now you're ready to fly. This is the beginning step in singing great. Next week, I'm going to talk you through about how you make sure that you do the workouts with your exercises and songs. It's the 5 A's. Remember, discipline of practice doesn't hold you back. It gives you the freedom to step on stage and fly is what you need. It feels so good, and it makes your performance stand out, and you, a great singer. If you want to join other women who like to do exercises each week with me, then Singing for a Lifetime is just what the doctor ordered. We do different exercise workouts each week, and it's recorded, so you can keep working your singing muscles to be strong, no matter what your style is. There's a link in the description for you to use to learn more, okay? Anyone can do my vocal workout course and dig into a workout with exercises I do myself, and then work what you've learned into your songs so you don't strain and can transition from low to high and hit notes you thought you couldn't hit. Woo! I have a link in the description, so check out the vocal workout course, okay? But, do your workouts. They're your foundation to a strong voice and you being a great singer. That's what we all want, to be the best we can be. And you can. It's just up to you to make the decision. Okay? So you have the workouts with the exercises, and then you've got your workout with your songs and figuring out different things, knowing your words, okay, and the problem areas. And then you do, finally, your performance and see where you're at with your song, with your performance of it. See what you want to do then. All right, I'm going to be doing different things to talk to you about being a great singer in the next weeks. So if you haven't, thought about these things, I want you to start working on them right now, okay? Listen, leave a comment. Tell me how you feel about your voice. Tell me what problems you have. You can message me. I'd love to hear from you, okay? So you have a wonderful singing day because it's, guess what? Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah. Woo. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.